everybody. Welcome to Ian Bagg Bought a House, a show about me, Ian Bagg, buying a house on the eastern shore of Virginia with my wife, Carrie Ann. My mother-in-law lives in it. We reconditioned the house, otherwise known as renovating. We are not doing a show this week, but we just want to make sure that we wished you guys a happy Merry Christmas. Pearl and Lou's just so overboard on it, and Pearl's got snacks over there that she wants to eat, and we want to thank you. We hope you get all the treats and everything you wanted for Christmas, and I hope you guys have a lovely time. Make sure you shovel your driveway if you have snow where you're from, or make sure that all your trimmings are cleaned up outside so you don't have any fires if you're on the other side. We got a big year coming up next year, and we hope that you guys are still part of it. Here at the Ian Bagg Show, we say, woof, woof. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Renee. Merry Christmas to everybody. Hey, guys, I know you thought it was over for the year, but here's some extra footage. I just got a Christmas gift, and who doesn't want to see Ian Bagg open a Christmas gift? Thanks to Joe and the people at Arson House, I got this. Looks like it's going to be sneakers, because nobody likes the shoes I wear. Let's see what it is. Oh, my goodness. This guy could be like that kid that opens gifts and then decides whether they're good or not. Have you guys seen that? This little shit is a millionaire now. Holy crap, it's in a box. Oh, no. It's the Furbo. It's the Furbo. I've been told not to bring my dogs here anymore by giving me a Furbo. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. It's the Furbo. The Furbo, I'm going to show you what it is, but it's in a tight sack. Oh, my God. This must be what it's like getting a penis out of when it's not circumcised.
Yeah, that is.
We just found something out about Chris. Oh, my God.
I thought you were raised Jewish.
No, I'm not raised Jewish.
He wasn't raised anything. He's a goddamn heathen. The Furbo is a dog camera. You can put treats in it, and you can send it you can send, when you're away, you can watch your dogs and pets.
Oh, those things. I remember those.
So I got one of those. One of those from the guys at the office, and I think it's fantastic. Here's a little chip, though. Here's a hint. There's people have been breaking into people's and saying things over a Nest Cam and Furbos. The trick is, if you leave it on, if you don't change the password, all the passwords from Furbo are the same. So that's how they get into yours. They just try. So if they try and see if they see a nest, they can get into it. So it's a neighbor, somebody around you. So what you have to do is change your password on there. So otherwise, if you leave it at default, you're probably going to get broken into because they're all the same. All right? That's a tip from Ian Bagg. Merry Christmas to me from everybody at goddamn Arson House. I got a Furbo. Suck on that. Suck on that, Gersh.